This is the Sunnote ceramic space heater, which I got about a week ago. I live in South Atlanta area, and a couple of days ago, it had gotten down into the low 30s, high 40s. Of course, I'm trying to cut back on my heating bill this year for gas, so I decided to buy a space heater. I like the function of the remote control. You can cut it on with the remote control, of course. Got it set at 85, but it goes all the way up to 90. And if you keep going, actually, I'll take that back, it goes up to 99. And then it'll go to 40, and you can work its way back up. But I usually like to keep it around 85. And I mean, the heat that I'm feeling from it right now, I mean, it works fast. It doesn't take long at all to heat up. Has a eco mode. I guess the eco mode is to conserve power. Also, it turns from side to side. Like that option. You know, if you just sit next to it and you don't want the heat to blow directly on you, that's a very good option right there. And what else? It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Has a nice long cord on it, as well as you can adjust the audible on it. If you want to go up and down, you can turn the audible off. You can turn it on if you want to. And then when you get ready to power down, just press power. It'll do a 15-second countdown. It's pretty good. And there's actually a timer on it, so you can set it to go off whenever you want. I haven't used a timer yet because usually I let it run all night while I'm sleeping. Then when I wake up in the morning, I'll just cut it off when I get up. All right, that's my review.
It's very quiet. There's buttons on top. Very nice. Comes with the remote. It doesn't come with batteries though. The light shuts off. Or display. There it goes.
Now that it's getting chilly, I use this small portable heater. It has a swivel feature that allows it to turn left to right. It has a timer that allows you to set the total amount of hours you want the heater to stay on. It also has a temperature setting that allows you to set it up to 95 degrees and as low as 70-something degrees. When you press the power off button, it will set it for 15 seconds and shut off automatically. It's a lightweight machine and it stays cool on the outside, doesn't burn your counter or your floor, and allows you to carry it from room to room. I love this product. I use it throughout the house and it instantly heats up every single room.